Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about the C++ standard library covering sorting, searching, and other algorithms. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into it. First, let's understand what the C++ standard library algorithms are. They provide implementations of several fundamental algorithms such as sorting and searching, ready to use right out of the box. So let's first start with sorting. One of the most used functions is std::sort. Here's how you can use it. In this example, we use std::sort to sort a vector of integers. The vector is sorted in ascending order. Now let's move on to searching. We have functions like std::find. Let's take a look at an example. Or why do we do that? Alright, so in this case, should we close that out? In this case, we use std::find to find the number 3 in a vector of integers. The function returns an iterator pointing to the element if it's found, or v.end if it's not. C++ standard library algorithms also provide functions for other algorithms, such as transferring elements, partitioning ranges, or accumulating values. Let's take a look at transform, partition, and accumulate. That back there. Here, std transform doubles each element of the vector, std partition partitions the vector into even and odd numbers, and std accumulate computes the sum of the elements. Alright, so this was an introduction to C++ standard library algorithms. We covered sorting, searching, transforming, partitioning, accumulating, but remember that the standard library offers a vast array of other algorithms that can simplify your code and make it more efficient. Alright, so if you guys found this helpful or enjoyed, drop a like down below, drop a comment in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one.